Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Tamar Rintang Priyatama. I'm from class D4A. My name is 2331407071111046. And today, for next exam, I want to explain about the backdoor. And case is the understanding backdoors in cybersecurity. Okay, next we will explain first what is backdoor. A backdoor is a method by which unauthorized user can gain access to system, so from the system or application or network without going through standard authentication procedure. While some backdoor are intentionally created by developer for maintenance purpose, others are secretly installed by hackers or exploit system for malicious use. Okay, next. Common types of backdoor. First, software backdoor. Insert into application or operating system to bypass login process. Second is a hardware backdoor. In the hardware backdoor is embedded in a physical component to allow covert access. Third is a phone remote access trojan or EAT. Malware that gives attackers control over a system remotely. Fourth is a firmware backdoor. Hidden code in device firmware that provide access to internal function. Next is how do backdoor work? So backdoor typically work by passing a standard security mechanism. Attackers may install that through phishing email or maybe malicious software download or exploiting software vulnerability or maybe from file your upload file. It's once installed, the backdoor can provide persistent access even after system update or password change. Next, real world example. From the example, this is from the real life. First is from WannaCry ransomware. It's from 2017. It's used the NSA development backdoor exploit internal glue. The second cases is the Juniper network incident is 20 and 15 discovered in unauthorized backdoor code in firewall products. And next causes is the from SolarWinds attack. 20 and 20 attackers insert a backdoor in a legitimate software update. So, what the risks and consequences? Okay, backdoor pose serious security risks. They can be used to steal sensitive data, spy on user from your base database, install further malware or disrupt excellent system operation, or you can your web will give them from the virus and anything. So from the since they often remain detect, attackers can maintain access for long period, making backdoor one of the most dangerous cybersecurity threat. So detection and prevention. Implement intrusion detection system or EDS and continuous monitoring. Second is about conduct regular code through audits and vulnerability assessment. Third is keep software and system update in patch. Fourth is or less is use endpoint protection and network segmentation to limit potential damage. So this is from detection. Next, ethical dilemmas. The use of backdoors for lawful surveillance is highly controversial. Government may demand backdoor access for national security or criminal investigation. However, intentionally adding such features can weaken overall system security and pose a threat to user privacy is misused or legal. And conclusion, backdoors can be both intentionally created and malicious installed. They undermine security and privacy exploit. And then prevention requires strong cyber security practices and awareness. Fourth is ethical use of backdoors remains a debate topic in cybersecurity policy. Okay, so that for the explain of the malware of anything attackers from the backdoors is for dangerous. So I will do practice how to backdoors is work. First I will explain first I use DVW to explain about the vector. In this, how the hackers can upload the file is except of the image. So let's the practice first. Okay, in this case, you have must for example, we have the for vector we have this file is PHP first, and this is image. So I will delete first. Okay, how to make it? The the file. First, you must have the DVWA, and you must have a Laravel, DVWA, and Foxy Proxy for the you can adjust from this web. For example, and you have must this to change the data. I think change the file. Sorry. Okay. First, you have must this. I have the. Okay. In this, you have the change copy the data in the vector disk. You change. Oh no. I think you copy into image. So for example, this I have to change the B374 key is I'm changing from the PSP to JPEG. So let's start we change it. Because what? Okay. Because what? If we upload this, okay. Except the image or JPG, PNG or JPEG, if we upload, this is your image is not upload because this is not the image. But if you have to upload, for example, I upload the image JPEG. If we upload, sorry, I think this is fail, bro. Okay, sorry. Okay, so that we must upload the file is JPEG or PNG. Okay, first we have to copy this first. Okay, make it, and you have to copy. Okay, and if you have to file upload. Before we upload from the Pepsi is you can. Okay, if you upload this, you will can, but you want to visit the database or maybe you look for the data. This for example, not this only the web. For example, not the real web. Okay, how to do that? First, you must to on this interaction in the ProofSuite Community Edition. You have to must download first. Okay, this you must on this. And okay, sorry. From the setting, you can look. This is the IP. You can copy. You can paste to Foxy Proxy. Okay, this is wait. I will show you. Okay, this is from the IP from the this is ProofSuite community and the port. Okay, next is the you can save it and anything. You can Foxy Proxy. You can click this. Okay, this is the this is example of how to you visit the maybe database or anything. So this is you can look from the you can change first. This is a value you can change the big data, and in this you can delete it. After you delete it, you can forward to the this web. This will be you can look at hackable uploads successfully upload. This is PXD, bro. You can upload it. So this is I think it's dangerous if you have the file upload is not safe. So you can look it from this. Okay. So you can look it as this, and you can copy hackable PHP. Sorry. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry. This is you can disable first. Nah, so this is you can look from the terminal. You can look at database, network, anything. So I think this is how you must have to file upload this must save from the encryption or anything to reject the backdoor disk. So I need to show you how to okay, next I will explain you how to you solve this. You can in this case, how do you detection and protection of prevention. First, you have to detection system or EDS is the connection to so all activity you must be monitoring. Second is a conduct regular code audits, and this vulnerability assessment. For assessment, you can from the code to the code is the conduct regular code, and third is self is keep software and system update and patch. So can you update or patch or upgrade your application of your web? It's almost 1 month or 1 week is the I think it is safe. You can get to the backdoor disk. And the last is the use endpoint protection and network segmentation to limit potential damage. So this is you can use encryption, I think, from the encryption, or you can use the limit second from the if the web can only detect is the PHP or anything file except JPEG or PNG. This can use. So that for the explain about me the backdoor file upload. And sorry if I have the mistake, Mr. Pacuan. Thank you very much about your session, about your this bug. I think this is very to me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.